So, welcome, guys. Thanks for being here. Another day. Let's see what we have for the next hours. Today is the Labor Day in my country, so I'm going to finish early the stream, probably around 1 hour, 2 hours here. Let's see if we have an opportunity there to take some positions. First, we need to see a retracement around 46, 43. And a confirmation here. I don't want to see the retracement. I really want to see the price touch 46.80, for example, and then give us a retracement as a shooting star. If not, probably it give us and continue for 47. So well, let's see. That's my option right now. So let's see what we have. As I explained yesterday, if I lose the position in Tokyo, I'm not streaming today. But Tokyo give us really good trades. Really good trades. All the positions in Tokyo bigger than the stop loss in New York session. For example, the first sell was in 230 pips. The stop loss in New York 154 pips. Second, 270 pips. Second sell in New York for minus 154 pips. Then third sell in Tokyo session 210 pips, and then 155 pips negative in New York. Here for sell position 130 pips. Yesterday, unlucky. The market started with a gap and touched the stop. I reduced the stop loss, so 130 pips, and then the recover for 160 pips. So well, Tokyo session give us the opportunity to recover at least the some pips. Um, um, in Tokyo. So well, giving us some reactions here. Let's see. That move was generated just for the news. José, todo bien, pura vida, mi amigo. Don Julio is here. Bienvenido, mi amigo. Benzi is here. Welcome, my friend. Let me see. CJ, Benzi, is the news out yet? No, it's out. It finished, I don't know, like 30 minutes ago. But I'd say these two candles was generated for the news. So, well, let's see. I would try to arrive to 100 to 12,000 to do the first to do the withdrawal. So well, beautiful reaction there for sellers. Now we need the retracement. We need to retracement to confirm there. Well, if the price gives us the opportunity, do the retracement. If not, well, this sun it's taken. Mhm. Okay, waiting the retracement, guys. Waiting the retracement. Yes, my friend Benzi. We start a new month. The last month give me $1,166 in positive at the end of the month. I was in negative, then I was in positive. I was in 14,000, then I was in minus 9,200 dollars, and now it's $11,166. So well. Well, probably not. Probably not a retracement. José, $1000 aquí, pues sí, 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 divide bien mes. La gente aquí, el salario base es de $650 por ahí. Mm. Pero bueno, entre los... Entre la cuenta de fondeo esta, vean, al final termino como con unos 1500 por ahí aproximadamente. Entonces, no, no tan mal. 350 en la cuenta de fondeo, 1000, 1150 de esto. Ahí se queda bien. Tengo que hacer retiro, ¿verdad? Quiero por lo menos dejarlo, pero no quiero retirar eso y dejarlo en 10,000 otra vez y tener ahí la presión de estar en el límite de los 10,000. Entonces, voy a esperar. Just Smart is here. Welcome, my friend. So well, the cell zone works beautiful, pretty nice. I'm pretty sure not too much people take the sell position, but well, unfortunately, not for us. And again, same conditions as the last weeks. I have a son, then give us a massive reaction, then the price it's no retracement, no nothing, just the price reaction. And well, that thing happens. So entonces cuatro reds. Así. So well, that was beautiful. That was a beautiful confirmation into the 4650. Um, and well, I want to say something different, but well, I'm going to wait 1 hour more. If nothing, if we don't see the price, give us the retracement, for example, or going back to the long position. Mhm. Well, remember, guys, if you want to be part of the community to propermatch.com, just go into the link. I will share it into the chat and into the description. There you will see what is the best option and what is the best discounts according your necessities, according your money, according your capacity for payments. There you will see instant funding, phase one, phase two, phase three, many options. And the good thing, all the um, companies listed there will pay you if you pass the challenge, guys. All of them have a different rules, so read the rules before applying any challenge, guys. So just go there, create an account, take advantage of the offers for the prop firms, guys. Okay. Remember this moment, just waiting. Benzi, this is my personal account. As the last 3 months. So well, 6 minutes for finish the 1 hour candle. Tus ojos apagados. Tus ojos apagados. Alma estaba. Dolores. So well, 2 minutes and the cell zone works perfectly. Give us the uh, beautiful reaction, But well, unfortunately, the price just go back with no retracement, and we can open the trade. Mhm. So the Celson works pretty good. Mhm. You're so some. Okay, yes, that week exactly could be a good point for a buy as well. Let's try here. Yes, this point it's like doing like this. You know, long position, something like this. Yes. So at this point, we need to see what happened there. We need to glorify the positions. Let's see. Frank Minaj, yes, my friend, because I don't care about that people. Mhm. And this is part of trading. If you don't like if you're trying to lose, this is not your channel. So I appreciate the people who just hate one day and then just unfollow me and disappear. So that's great. And again, I was the one of the best trader in YouTube 2 weeks ago. I know I'm the worst traders YouTube. So well, just take care of my community for try to recover some money. Um, well, we have some losses, but the people don't understand this is not for just 2 weeks. I'm being here for years. Oh, well, ending the with the account with the losses and everything plus 11% of the account. I always try to end the month for at least 10%, 15%. Yeah, if I end the month plus 10% of my account, that's nice. That's nice. You need to see it like a business. If you have a restaurant, even with your investment, even with your when you pay everything, when you pay the groceries, when you pay the um your employees, I don't know, the other stuff for your business. And at the end of the month, you end 10%. Just think like for the rest of your life, you have a business, and that business will give you 10% every month. But no one, I would say 90% of this channel thinks like this. Like probably just me and some people in my community in Discord, um, Telegram, things like this. The others being afraid for losing some money, taking a revenge trades, holding positions without a stop loss, holding positions in negative too many pips. Well, my point of view it's simple. It's simple. 10% of the month for my accounts, and that's all. But the people don't know, you know, um, how much. They don't understand how much is it's like the rest of your life making the 10% of your whatever you do, whatever investment you do. You generate the 10%, 15%, 20% of your account. That's beautiful. And well, that is up to the people, but I always will come back. If I lose, I'm going to stay here. If I win, I'm going to stay here. Nothing happened with the project. That's my project. Let's roll to 100,000. 100,000 subscribers. That's my goal. When I arrive at that goal, let's see what happened. Let's see what happened. Es labios gigantes, mira. Fact, Falkland, that's why you will, in the end, be disciplined and keep your journaling, your traits in the long room. Exactly. In the long term, that's the only way. And that is the reason for the haters just see me every day behind a computer. I'm still here. Pretty simple. Yes, we have really bad weeks. The 2 week the last week was the worst because we hit the five stops in a row. That is the maximum stops in a row. Then we start Tokyo session. Tokyo session give us the four wins in a row, but New York session give us another four losses in a row. So the thing here is the wins are bigger than the losses here. So well, some people say no, your win rate is the 50%. Yes, the 50% because I did four trades every session and I lose the four and win four. But that's the thing. You need to understand this is not for how much you're going to win. It's how much you're going to lose. You know, I'm lose 154 pips, but then I win 270 pips. Why? Because I respect the stop loss. I respect the stop loss, and I know when I'm going to cut my stop loss, and it's pretty easy. I understand that. Probably 98% of the people understand this simple math, but in the practice, you are not doing this type of things. Just you are holding negative, your account disappear, um, and then just the account. The people destroy the accounts because holding the negative, holding the ground results, and then just come here very angry and insult me. That's okay by myself. That's okay. I'm always with you, Luz, because if I'm with you for learning, I'm trade. I'm self. No problem for trade. Perfect, my friend. It's a hit. That's the idea. Learning every day. Para mí es el mejor, pero no sé cómo tienes. No sé cómo tienes tan definidas sus zonas de ventas y de compra. Dejas pasar los trades, como por ejemplo este, sí. Lo que pasa es que yo espero confirmación en 15 minutos. Digamos, esta fue nuestra confirmación en 15 minutos. Y aquí el punto de entrada mínimo era de 46.50. Se fue y seguimos teniendo esta confirmación. Y si regresa al 46.50, lo podemos hacer. Hay gente que no espera confirmación y usa mis zonas de compra y de venta, nada más abren el trade y listo, ¿verdad? A mí sí me gusta esperar confirmación y retroceso. En este caso no nos dio el retroceso, pero la zona funcionó perfecto. Because you go live in New York session, we don't know what you do in Tokyo session. Daniela, baby, yes, but the thing is, it's the same thing. The Tokyo session is for the people into the Telegram, into the Discord, and it's not like oh no, you need to be into the Tokyo session or something. No, because sometimes in Tokyo session I lose all the trades in Tokyo session, and then I win all the trades in New York session, for example. It depends of the week. I follow the same process in every trade, and that's all. So if you want to be part of the community for the Telegram and Discord, more than welcome to contact me. It's 195 one payment. Ok, gracias, Brian. Sí, eso ya depende mucho de cada quien. Mis zonas están ahí por alguna razón. Si la gente los toma, por ejemplo, gente en el Discord lo tomó en 46.57 sin yo decirles mucho, ¿verdad? Ellos saben que yo no la voy a tomar, pero toman el riesgo, ¿verdad? Si no toman el riesgo, no sabemos qué va a pasar. En este caso pasó, lo que no pasó fue el retroceso en la siguiente vela, sino que fue una caída bastante fuerte. Naru Squad by Entry Active, okay. You don't have to explain these people, my friend. You are a great, profitable trader. Thanks, my friend. My goal for the next 2 3 years is have an account for at least $100,000, and then I will continue with my 10%, 10% of the my account. What is the 10% of $100,000? $10,000 per month. I will continue like this, 10%, 10%. 10% is my base. And yes, exactly. It's not. In the past, I used double session for free, but so tired. I prefer just stay quiet, blame, and relax and take my trades in Tokyo. But it's the same. Sometimes I lose all the trades in Tokyo. Then I recover in New York session. Mix Manzano. Uh, this type of comments don't make me like losing the faith in the humanity. Like Lewis already explained, like in a comment and explained like 10 minutes how Tokyo Session works. Uh, well, Fancy, again, it's my personal account. But well, let me show how looks like the Tokyo session looks like. Okay, so well, first I will explain like the last position yesterday for for New York. We opened the trade there and then give us a gap just for take the positions. Then I explain the same position. I would try the sell around 46.25, 46.30. Then the price touched the sun, 46.30. I opened the trade in 46.30. Um, well, some people there. Then the price touched the TP2, 160 pips with no too much problems. The profit, great. Well, Victor always sharing the profits there or the losses too. At the end of this session, the trading Tokyo session complete the target so hard, so very good. So it looks like looks like this. Then, for example, here I reviewed zones pretty easy. 46.50, it's the sun. Um, well, this is how it looks like, just for the ones we're asking. My goal for the month is the 10%, Benzi. 10% of the account. My last withdrawal was 2 weeks ago, $950. So well, I'm ending with 100. Sorry, $1,166. Mix man. So well, if you want to be part of the community for the Telegram and Discord, just contact me by WhatsApp. The my goal for the month is 10%. My idea for the end of the month is 15%. 15%. No, for sure not daily or weekly. It's month. Daily is of course we want to see 10% daily, but in a long term it's impossible to do the 10% for of the account. because you are going to lose. Well, it's impossible for me. Probably for other traders in YouTube, it's pretty simple to do 10% every day. But probably if you do a 10% every day, you don't need to be in YouTube. You're going to be multimillionaire and doing other stuff. So, so yes. Mhm. Leanne Leroux, you didn't tell nothing. I don't know if you're asked something. Mm. Yeah, it works pretty good. It works pretty good. The tendence was generated for the news. So for that reason, I think probably it will fall. If you want to, Tom Sawyer, if you want to follow, just don't follow. Open your lung now. Acabemos de bien. I'm waiting after London station closed themselves. London, it's in Labor Day. Ossessione immensa pure sede mia. Okay, so well, guys, I'm going to wait 30 minutes more. If nothing happened, the session will be done. En USA no es feriado, no. En Estados Unidos no es feriado. En Estados Unidos el día del trabajador es otro día, yo creo. O sea, Labor Day. O sea, vamos a ver. No sé si ni. Ah, en septiembre es. 7 de septiembre. Para nosotros es aquí, bueno, hoy es, bueno, para mí hoy es el día del trabajador, hoy nadie trabajó. Al menos, obviamente, el sistema público, ¿verdad? Y para lo que es Reino Unido, digamos, importante, Reino Unido era Día del Trabajador. Y en japoneses, saben que esos más no les importa nada, así que trabajaron igual. Pero bueno, igual recuerden que si quieren ser un trader fondeado, pueden ir a Proper Match, ahí van a tener toda la información sobre descuentos, todo tipo de información sobre diferentes compañías. Las mejores prop firms están ahí dando todo el soporte de Proper Match, los que cuando simplemente paguen, si pasan el challenge, van a recibir el pago sin problema. Ese es el único motivo que se lo pueden asegurar. Obviamente, si pasan o no, ya depende de ustedes. Pero el link está en propermatch.com, está en el chat, está en la descripción. If you want to be part of the community for propermatch.com. Many discounts listed there. No, Bitcoin no he tocado Bitcoin del último mes. Me está dando pereza trabajar los fines de semana, así que probablemente no aplique Bitcoin. Pues ya la próxima semana empecemos nuevamente. Con Bitcoin y Nasdaq. No trade also is a trade. Yes, that's that's a good advice. So here at this point, I'm just waiting the price touch the 46.50. That's my that's the sí, a veces. Sí, a veces me conecto los fines de semana, pero a veces no mucho. Mm, Dale, perfecto con lo compras. Veremos a ver si mañana nos sale algo. Okay, price is arriving there. The broker, if you want to work with XELLION, there is link. Pretty good. If you want to use USDT or well in India, Pakistan, or different countries, works pretty good with a bank account. So yes. Okay. So well, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Mhm. Okay, so 46, 44. Let's see if it can touch the 46, 47 at least. Retracement was great. Let me prepare the gun box here. 44. Okay, 46, 47, 48. Let's see. By that point. Let's see if he can test the 46, 48 again. 46, 45. 46, 46. There we go. We're very close. Mhm. Looks like a little consolidation there. So now it's quiet. 46, 45. At least the 48. At least 48. Be a good point. Mm. Okay, we got the consolidation there. I would try that consolidation. No, sorry. Fuck. So well, unfortunately, it gave us a massive candle for 120 pips. So well, it's trying to go back. Let's see if the buyers can give us some retracement. Probably not. Well, he's staying there to 46.40. Could be the point. 46.40. Mhm. Now it's quiet. Okay, he's trying to stay there. But again, at least 46, 48 at least minimum. That's the point. Okay, testing the 46, 45. Them trying to stay there. Hmm. Still waiting. Well, waiting these 2 minutes. The next one, if the price go around 46, 45, I will open the trade. Still waiting. You met? Yes, you can do it with no problem. But again, remember, selling is for the must for the 90% of the people, or the around the world to use USDT, my friend. USDT. Just if you are for India, Mexico, some parts of Asia, you can work with different bank accounts. Okay, it's time to be ready. New hour, new candle. Let me clean this. Mm, 35 or 40. Let's use 37. Okay, I'm ready to take the position into this 46, 44. I want to open in the 46, 45, but that's okay. 51. Mhm. Mhm. Using the consolidation in 1 minute. Working into the TPS. There's the TPS. Just let me update it here. 46. Mhm. Mhm. Let's expect something good in the next minute. So well, looks like a little reaction there for sellers. Let's expect something good. Let's see what happened. Boy. Mhm. 46.40. We need to break this point, the 46.40. 46.40 for continue. So let's see. At this moment is nothing to celebrate. Just waiting. Good reaction. Trying to break the 46.39. So well, good. This is the last three candles, and we need to break the 4640. That's the important thing now. Let's see if we can break that chart. It already break in 1 minute. In 2 minutes, it's the same. 3 minutes, the same. 5 minutes, it's already taken. 10 minutes, it's taken again. But we need to break it. The most important thing here in 15 minutes. So this is the last two candles, three candles, and let's see. It's trying to going back to our point of entry. Let's see. So well, unfortunately, the last candle is going back to our point of entry with not too much difficulties. Let's see if we can. The last seconds can stay under the at least the 4642. Well, the idea was to break the 4640 in 15 minutes. It broke those points in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, but in 15 minutes it didn't break it. So the most important here is break that zone in 15 minutes, not in the not in the rest. Okay, stay a little gap, probably again testing the point of entry. 4660 is the stop loss. Respect the stop loss, guys. It's really important. Mhm. 46, 46. 46, 47. 46, 48. We're in positive, now negative. Mm. So let's see, we have a point of reactions near to 45, 46, 51. And the last point of reaction, 46, 50, 55. Well, of course, I don't want to see that point. I prefer just the price stay there, 46, 47, 46, 46. And then in the last five candles, go back to the 46, 38, for example. Complejo de Quijote. Mm. 46, 47. The 5 minutes ending last losing some pressure, so that's great. Let's see if we can go back to this point of entry. Going back to our point of entry. 8 minutes. Testing again the 46, 48. Hmm. Okay, in 5 minutes. We'll test the 48, 46, 48. Okay. Good reaction for sellers. Pretty good reaction for sellers. That's great for our intentions. Let's see what we have. But we need to break the 46.40. This is the last four candles. Trying, but well, the sellers defending again in 5 minutes. Well, buyers defending again in 5 minutes, looking good. Looking plus an engulfing candle, trying to test the 46.40. 46.40, it's marked with the 0.5. Let's see if the last five can give us something good. Nice to see you too. I am Beast. Nice to see you too. Mhm. 46, 38. So that's great. We need to see this. We need to break that point, the 46.40. That's important to break it in 15 minutes. That's the most important thing in 15 minutes. So let's see. In 3 minutes, you will break it again. Well, in 3 minutes, it break it. So it's important in the next three candles we continue with that break. ending with the 50 minutes break of the 4640. Then we'll see. Well, the ones who open the trade 4649, 4648, remember, use the same stop loss. Even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss. So use the same stop loss to, in that cases, okay? I'll not celebrate, yes, I'm not celebrating too. I'm just going to celebrate some if we have TP1, TP2, TP3, or full take profit. So let's see. 2 minutes. Really important. These 2 minutes is really important. Let's see if we can stay there in 4640, 39. That's important. 4039. This is the last candle. Let's see if they can end the pressure with in red. Okay, breaking it. Let's see the last seconds. Good. We broke the 4640. That's great. First step to continue for the TP1. Let's see if we can continue there. Breaking this one. Yes, beautiful. Is 40 is a possible sell entry or is too late? It's too late. Just wait if the price go back to the point of entry. But you have, guys, you have around 20 minutes to take the decision. And Kyrix, I'm pretty sure you stay there just seeing the stream. Um, well, sorry for that. RP GFAM, close it, okay. If you take a better position, probably that's a good deal. For example, 46, 48, 46, 47. So now what is the deal? We need to break the 46.35. Then we will continue to the target. So if we break the 46.35, we will catch at least the TP2. But it's pure patience. I think it's easy. Just hold the blue numbers than the red numbers. Let's see if we got something good or not. Arita, I wonder why, when you are in profit, just going and break even at least, so protect your capital if the trade doesn't work. No reason, because if go to the break even, uh, it's no sense. I'm okay with the risk, so for that reason, I'm not in break even. If the price touch the stop loss is around $600 in negative, I'm okay with that. Um, well, for that reason, I'm not set the break even. But of course, if the people want to set the break even partials or just close the position, that's okay. By my side, it's just pure patience, and I protect my capital just when the price is lower than 10,000. Less than 10,000, I'm going to be worried. But if one plus 11,000, 12,000, 14,000, I'm okay. Because my main investment is the 10,000. Thanks, Job. It's a pleasure. Thanks for your support, my friend. It's part of the learn, my friend. Kyrix. I know many people don't. We have a very bad 2 weeks, but well, the strategy is there for one reason. I'm here for one reason. Just for 2 bad weeks is doesn't mean nothing. So well, let's see. Let's celebrate some TP1. Let's see if we can touch it there. Let's see what we have. Pure patience. Remember, it's easier just hold positions in in positive than in negative, guys. So feel the pressure if you see the red numbers. If you see the green or blue numbers, just hold your position. If you want to close it, if you're okay with 100 pips, that's okay. You can close it. If you're okay with 90, 80 pips, that's okay. You can close it. That's your decision. If you want to follow me, that's okay. That's part of the process, and you will learn how to hold. But even in this point, we can go straight to the stop loss, guys. Just be clear of that, okay? Going back. Going back to 46.40. Let's see if we have a good reaction there or not. It depends for the next candles. Probably yes. Mm, 46.40. Let's see. Pure patience again. Going back to our point of entry. But well, I'm going to take advantage and I'm going to eat some. I'm back, okay? I'm going to eat some my breakfast. 11 p.m. here. Sorry, 11 a.m. here. So I'm going to eat. I'm back in less than 5 minutes. So stay there. I'm back. I'm going to eat, guys. So well, back guys, I'm back. Still holding the same position. This is the last 10 minutes for the 1 hour candle, so it's important to continue with this pressure, okay? Leon Leroux, yes, the Discord is not for free, but if you want to bid into the community, there is the contact to well to contact me directly is by WhatsApp, and you will see the prices there. Okay. Staying there, just hold him. So people is holding is closing the position. So that's okay. That depends of the your decisions and everything. Going back to the point of entry. Well, few pips later. This is the last 5 minutes, and this is important to continue with the pressure. This is the last forward. 2 minutes. 46.40. 'Sorry. Okay, the last two candles. 'This is the last seconds for the 1 hour candle ending in negative. So that's great. Respecting the sun. That's important. Really, really important. And of course, ending lower than the 46.40. That's really important too. That's great. Well, new candle in 1 hour. Let's see if we can touch the TP1 at this point. Mhm. Testing again the 46.41. Still in positive. 46, 41, still there. Van Black Story is going down now. Let's see, let's see. Just your patience again. It's we are in positive, so it's easy. Just being patient, and that's all. If you don't like the position, just set your break even. If you don't like the trade, just close it in positive, and that's all. I think it's pretty simple. If you don't like the trade, well, you're going to close this trade in 50 pips positive. Simple. So well, the remember if you want to use XELLION, this is the option. This is the link for create the account. So more than welcome if you want to participate there. It was beautiful. Okay, trying again to break this point. The 46. We need to break the 46.35. That's the idea. And well, let's see what happened. And guys, remember what they're going here. Hello, esto, ¿cómo va todo? Todo bien, mi amigo Bora. Pura vida. So well, um, some pips there. It's taking time. I was thinking I can end the session early. Mm, early, but well, no. So well, remember the Telegram signals is not for free. It's $195, guys. All the Discord, Telegram, it's Telegram is for support and everything. Learn, pre-recorded videos, whatever you need about me. Discord is there for support and being in contact. For sure, just you can you can be there, more than welcome. But the access is not for free, guys. It's not for free. Just in case, to be clear, everyone, it's not for free. Bueno, seguimos esperando, ¿verdad? 6 minutos, bastantes rechazos han habido cerca del punto de entrada. Necesitamos quedar cerca del 46, 37 al menos en los próximos 6 minutos para ya generar una presión fuerte de vendedores sobre los compradores. Y empecemos con ese tocar los TPs. Por el momento es pura paciencia. Yo sé que cuesta, pero es más sencillo mantener la paciencia en positivo que mantener la paciencia en negativo. Siempre piensen en eso, así que ténganlo en presente. Just waiting and let's see what happened. Never, I don't work in London. It's too late for me. So, well, if you want to work with me with Tokyo Session, that's more than welcome. Just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free, the access, just in case, guys. I mean, to visit London, okay, probably never, never. I don't want to be in London. To be honest, it looks pretty gray uh, to my opinion. And I don't like the big cities. I like the sun, the beach, and the beer. That's my goal. Nah, it's been so quiet. This is the last 2 minutes. 'Almost there, and the candle ending as a shooting star, so that's great. But of course, we need to continue with the same pressure. 1 minute. A minute. Let's see. Again, continue near to the 4640. Very close. Mm, 4639. So, well, and again, some reactions there. Mhm. So, well, guys, if you ask me for free things into the WhatsApp, I will block you guys. That's all. If you ask me for free things, if you want to fight with me by WhatsApp or something like this, I will block you. As simple as that, guys. But yeah, so just don't ask for the free access. Don't ask for free support. Don't ask for that type of things. Everything is going to be okay. If you're interested into the Telegram and Discord, it's $195 for signals, guys. It's only one payment for the rest of your life, and that's all. Now the market is there, just being so quiet. Trying to go there. Mm. 38. We need to break the 46.35. And remember, guys, if you want to work with a prop firm match, just go into the propfirmmatch.com. There you will see a really good options, a really good discounts according your necessities, according what do you need. Um, your money for sure. Applying for many different options for companies. So just go there and you will see different discounts. And the good thing is, if you pass the challenge, it doesn't matter with what company you choose. If are listed into the proper match, you will receive your payments, your without, your withdrawals with no problems, guys. So just go there. The link is into the description and the link is into the chat. Okay. So be clear of that. Now waiting, just waiting. Forty-six, 37. Okay, trying to go to 46.35. So that's great. 5 minutes. Three minutes. So well, it's taking time, guys. It's taking time. I'm tired, to be honest. I'm tired. It's Friday and it's the Labor Day here. Everyone is off. Just me is still here working. So well, I expect the price to continue like this. We need to break the 46.35. I'm tired. Okay, almost TP1. The New York session. Listen to me. Finally, TP1. TP1, it's now, guys. Partials on B, please. Partials on B. Mhm. Partials on B, please. Partials on B. Partials on B. Break even. Break even is there. Okay. So forget the partial. 0.13. I'll take this. Okay, finally a TP in New York session since 2 weeks. Let's see if we can touch the first trade of the second trade of the month. Second trade of the month. Share your profits. Long time no see you. Long time no say that. Say that. Share your profits into the chat. Long time. Well, nice day today. We did 160 pips in Tokyo session. Now 130 pips in New York. So that's great. $300 for Daniela Baby plus $55. That's great. $400 now. Perfect for Bank Black Store. That's great. That's great, my friend. Yes. Fursam Mohammed probably is so it's pretty sad. Well, guys, first day with we take two TPs in a row, so that's great. That's beautiful. That's really nice. Mhm. Very good. Mucha paciencia. Yes, too much patience. It tests our patience very hard. But well, 130 pips. You can do whatever you want. You can close the position. You can hold the position. You can take some partial as me and then set the break even. That would be nice. And the others, if you want to be part of the community, just contact me by WhatsApp. It's not for free, but it's just only one payment for $195 for the rest of your life. So that's an investment. It's an investment plan for $195. Okay, just smart, secure the profit there, so that's great. Good. I'm here from Brazil, and I appreciate your recommendation. You're one of the best I've ever seen. Super calm, a didactic. Thank you for the bottom of my heart. Bini, Vinicius Juniors Burgo. Thanks, my friend, for your support. I really appreciate it. Thanks for your interest and thanks for your time. That's pretty nice. Mhm. So, well, remember, guys, set your partial, share your profits. I want to read your profits now. That would be nice. $132 booked and $52. Young Emmanuel, thanks, my friend, for being part of this community, and thanks for due to the really bad results for the last weeks. You stay here with us. That's great. Can you see this going back to the 4660? Not today. The market is unpredictable. It doesn't give out information with him. I always try to explain the positions and mark the sons. And well, you take the decision if you take the point or not. So difficult conditions the last month. But again, if you are going to work with a broker, if you want to be a trader, if you are going to charge your account, it's a must to see that charge as an investment, that money as an investment, and you work your investment every day. And at the end of the month, you want if you see your investment plus 5%, 10% in positive, um, 15% in positive, 20% in positive. That's great. Okay. But if you see trading just for one day, just for the results of one week, this is not for you guys. This is not for you. Still holding. Let's see if we can touch TP2. It's your patience. The clarifier Larito conveys those in every time can be testing in the world. Yes, the thing with these sessions, for example, this week, you know, like in Tokyo session, I'm trying to recover all the positions in New York. So, so well, it's part of it. Today is the first day what we have two wins in a row since last week. So this week I lose in Tokyo, I lose in New York, recovering in Tokyo. Losing New York, recovering in Tokyo. Losing in New York, recovering in Tokyo. Losing New York, recovering in Tokyo, and then that recovery in Tokyo, another positive result in New York, giving us a really good results at the end of the week. Even even with the stop loss, you know. Yes, the courage to being here, reading. It's difficult, you know, because every one day bad day or 2 weeks not a good weeks. um and now I'm ending this week, and I would say it's a really good week because my account is ending in positive. So that's a good week, you know, that's a good week even with the four stop loss. So well, TP2 guys, TP2. TP2 it's now. TP2 it's now, guys. Take it. And this is the reason for I'm here, not the rest of the people who comment against me, really disrespectful things and everything. First, because I can't support that comment. It doesn't matter. I don't care about that. Second, I know when I need to stop. I know when I need. I know how to accept the stop loss. That's all. You know, that's all. Yesterday, some people asked, "Oh no, why your account is in positive again?" Yes, because I recovered that positions in Tokyo session. I know many people here can go there, but yes, this is the reality. If you want to participate with us with the Tokyo session, there is a link to contact me by WhatsApp, and I will provide you the information, guys. It's not for free, but I am pretty sure it will help you in a really good way. So well, let me read here. That's why I start following here. I spend amount of time watching him. I realize honestly. Benny, Benny Junior, my friend, thanks for your support. I really appreciate that. Thanks for your real comments. The real support for sure. Thanks for that, my friend. 500 account. I traded about. mm, That's too much investment, you know. If you have a 500 account and invest $100, you will destroy your account in some weeks. Every time you focus on one session, because I focus on New York and Tokyo session. If not, if I don't focus in two sessions, I have really have a lot of free time, a lot of free time. So I need to do something different to, you know. If you don't feel you're doing something, that's a problem too, you know. When you're a trader and just you work 2 days, 2 hours per week, and 2 hours per day, for example, and then the rest of your day is free, it's difficult. I do many things. I do many things. I'm trying to go into the gym and going out with my family every afternoon. But I need that feeling, you know, like I need to work, you know, like at least some hours in the morning. Here it's the part of I really enjoy talk with the people, reading insults, reading analysis, reading weird people. The last week was awful, to be honest. But well, by my side, it's okay. I don't care. It's very simple. It's very simple. I am. I know the people who always been here. Um. And well, one member uh said a really interesting phrase. Rats are the first to leave the sinking ship. You know. So that's the reality. That's the reality, guys. Orient Jazz, exactly. The idea to the Discord is the people understand, you know, like these why I'm going to take the entries, why I'm going to take the information and everything. So, so yes, for that reason I appreciate the people who go into the channels because I know they trust in my work and everything. I'm the only feel what I when I feel bad is when I lose stop loss in a road because I can give you, you know, I can't give them the opportunity to recover the people into the Telegram. The people who come here just one day for saying some crazy things into the chat or just um, go into the one day and then disappear and then come back 2 weeks later. That's not the type of subscribers what I need, you know. I try to respect my community and try to do it as better as I can. Well, these times happens, and this is not the first time. I think it's the worst time. The worst time is here. Is that was this time with I don't know, like this week with many stops in a well, 40 stops in New York session. But thanks God, today we have got the first TP in Tokyo session for 160 pips. Um, this one looks pretty good. Yeah, I'm still holding, you know. So people ask me how Telegram looks like. The Telegram looks like this. I share, of course, the point of entry 45, 46.25 was my point of entry. Then I did some orders here. Um, Same position as the gap as yesterday. I would try around 46.25, 46.30. Okay. Then the price touch. What happened? The price touched the 46.30. So I opened the trade. Um, it's not. I think it's pretty clear, to understand when I share the information. Like I will try to sell around 46.30. Then the price just continue. Give us the TP1 in New York, in Tokyo session, sorry, and then 160 pips. Then touch our B, but in the rest of the session, it completed targets. Well, Victor, of course, he is always there, taking the positions. Well, many people helping us with the positions too. Lawless is from Italy, Anna from Mexico, Lewis from Poland. I know for United Kingdom. Graham is for Poland. Alalo, I think he's for India. No? Here, Leoles, he's here in Italy. That's beautiful. Looks like a little cold, but that's great. Pretty fresh. And well, uh, some profits there into the Discord. Boba for United States. Shouldn't copy exactly. Super, hoy nos fue muy bien. Ya llevamos varios días stop loss, pero bueno, aguantemos siempre en eso. Sí, exacto. Eso sería. Eh, ¿Cómo era la cuestión? Risk management, guys. Risk management. If you use the correct lot size for your account, guys, everything is going to be okay. And in one moment of the month, we will recover that money, and probably we will be in positive. Mhm. Next week we will back with Nasdaq. Nasdaq, um, Nasdaq and Dow Jones just don't have a structure for the last 2 weeks. Well, so well, that's great. Rats, rats are the first to leave the sinking ship. Exactly, my friend. Well, please focus on London session, my friend. I need to sleep, so I can't focus on London session. I focus on New York and Tokyo session. So well, let's see. The price still there, guys. To be honest, I don't want to. I'm tired. I'm tired, so I'm going to close the trade in the next 5 minutes. Yes, it's 12 p.m. Yeah, and I'm going to hold this trade during the weekend. So let's say 10 minutes. I will stay here 10 minutes more for see what happened. Whatever it happens, I will close it in the next in 10 minutes, guys. I'm tired. Was a really difficult week. Why it was difficult? Because the pressure to recover, it's not easy. It's not easy. And I know this trade looks easy. Um, but it wasn't easy. Why? Because I don't have the patience here. I don't have the patience to get my original point. What was my original point? 46.50. So that was painful. My original point was in 46.50, and just for don't have the patience, I didn't have it. But well, at least the account continue there, so that's great. And well, nothing happens. Close all because Sydney will create a gap. Okay, perfect. So good job, guys. I don't know if someone is holding this rate. I don't know if someone is holding this rate. And I tell here, I'm still waiting. Retracement around 46.50. 46.50. I said when the price was in 46.36. So something to always we need to understand. Your patience again. Congratulations for the ones who opened the trade near to the 46.47, 46.48, or 46.50. Many pips there. Let's hold to 46.20. I'm going to wait 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more, and that's all. But if it touches the TP3, I will close it. TP3. I'm still holding. Probably we will go down to the take the liquidity inefficiency. Probably yes. Just smart. You thank you. Have a wonderful weekend. God bless you and your family. Thanks, my friend, for your support. I really appreciate that. So well, let's see what happened. What time is there? It's almost 12:30, no, 12:15 p.m. So well, guys, remember if you want to work with Celium, just go there. The link is beautiful. Next Monday, I will try the. Well, let's see if we arrive to 2000. Let's see next weekend. Let's see next weekend. I don't need something. I don't need something special to do, so I will continue with this. So well, almost TP3, guys. So well, almost TP3. Who's still holding? Share your profits at this point. Share your profit at this point. Okay, TP3. That's all by my side. The trade is closed. I'm going to relax. It doesn't matter what happened now. So the trade is closed, guys. My trade is closed now. I'm going to hold the trade. I'm tired. I'm tired as hell. The pressure for the week was massive, really massive pressure. But well, ending the week with $1,800. And that's good. That's great. That's great. That's great. Probably the ones who still holding. Remember, in 3 hours the market will close. So set your break even, staying safe, please. Um, let's see what happened. Okay, 1,500 today. Perfect. Mark Cruz, that's great. And remember, the ones who be part of the community, contact back through WhatsApp. There is a different packs, different information. It's not for free, but you will see it's just one payment and investment plans is there, guys. So great. Looks pretty good. Mixed with the Tokyo session, ending the day with $659, and ending the last 7 days with the recovering $1,900 for the last 7 days. Remember, I started the week with the minus $800. Today I recovering $1,874, guys. So that's a real account works. You need to be focused on that. And well, thanks for everything. Thanks for the support. Good job. See you next Monday with the New York session. I appreciate everyone here. I appreciate the good comments, the bad comments. It doesn't matter what happened. I'll be back every day if my possibilities permit. If God permit to come back, of course, I always will come back. So thanks for your support, guys. Remember, if you want to be part of the community, it's a lifetime subscription. It's not a subscription. It's just only one investment plan for $195 for the rest of your life, guys. Thanks for everything. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your effort, guys. I appreciate you for trusting my work. That's pretty important. And thanks for everything. Back soon, guys. Back next month. See you, guys.